Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set a custom chat theme in Messenger using your own picture in 2025. First, open your Messenger app and go to the chat where you want to change the theme. Tap the contact's name at the top to open chat settings. Now tap on Theme. In the latest 2025 update, you'll see a new option called Custom Theme or Upload Photo Theme. Tap it and Messenger will open your gallery. Choose the photo or wallpaper you want to use as your chat background. You can also adjust the crop or preview before applying. After selecting your picture, tap Apply. Your chat will instantly update with your custom theme, and your friend will also get a notification saying you changed the theme. And that's it. You've now set a personal custom theme in Messenger using your own picture. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more Messenger tips.